Welcome back and Happy New Year, everyone. So, we have 2 more weeks left of our teaching online course. If you remember prior to the break, although I know some of you have been working over the break, we were looking at how to motivate students in the online environment. I just want to emphasize that I don't think no one's trying to say that online is better or trying to replace face to face, but it's simply another platform in which we can offer students an educational experience. So it's not like one is better than the other, they're very different. And the strategies that we use sometimes may overlap, but then sometimes we may need different ones depending upon the platform. So, as I said, in the second module, we looked at how to motivate students in the online environment. In module 3, we're going to look at social presence. And what this means is how to make the online learning environment as intimate as possible and as um, much so that the students see the teacher as a real person as possible. So the assignments due this week, if we look at the discussion board, we have two of them, establishing instructor presence and providing feedback. There's also an assignment on instructor feedback. There's a link here about Zoom. If you're not familiar with Zoom, Zoom is a video way of chatting with students in real time. You can also record, and CCBC has a license for that, so you can use Zoom. If anyone's interested in Zoom, please let me know, and I can even set up a Zoom to try it out with you to show you how it works. If I go into the learning modules, I see that now we're in Module 3, Social Presence Processes and Social Presence. And we have our objectives and the checklist, and then the readings that you'll do for establishing instructor presence. After those readings, you can complete the discussion board. Then the next module resources are about instructor feedback, and then you have two assignments, the discussion board and the instructor feedback policy. At this time also, please note that I have established groups. This is for Module 4. We will be doing a group project using wikis. I will explain more about that in the upcoming days. But in the meantime, you can see who your group members are and the group assignment, and you can reach out to them if you like.